Today in this video we will learn in spaces how to test the one-way ANOVA and its result interpretation also. One-way ANOVA, this is used when the one variable belongs to more than two separate samples groups which are independent of each other. For example, if we check the job satisfaction level of the employee on the basis of their experience, similarly salary across experience. By this example we mean that the employee with more experience expect more salary. So one-way ANOVA will let us know that if the salary across the different experienced people are same or it is different. Similarly, we can check the salary across the job designation. Means if we have three different level of employees as per job designation is concerned: low level, middle level and high level or top level. So we have three different job designation, the different job level. So in one-way ANOVA will let us know that if the salary of the employee on the basis of the job designation is same or it is different. So in this today in this video we will consider the example of the salary across the job designation. So hypothesis will be developed in this way. The H0 shows that the mean average value of the dependent variable, which is the salary of the employee in this case. So mean of the salary is not different for all groups. Means whether the people are of high, where the people are in top management or they are in middle management or they are in low management, their salary is same. H0 shows that the mean is different for all the groups. It shows that the average salaries of the employee is different. So how we can do it? We'll see this data. We have the data of some 80 participants. Now we have diversified their job designation into three different classes. We can see it from here. The job classes are diversified in this way that by 3 we means these are the low level employee, by 4 we means these are the middle level employee, and by 5 we mean these are the higher level employees. So we have three different groups of the employees on the basis of their job designation. So now we will check whether the salary of the employees at different groups are similar or it is statistically different than each other. So how we can do it? Click on analyze and then click on compare means. Come to the one-way ANOVA. Okay, now select the let me first remove it. Okay, now select the variable, the target variable. Like in this case we are going to test the salary on the across the different job classes. I cannot consider here a gender because genders are limited to only two group. Only two. There are two groups. One is male and one is female. While in one-way ANOVA we consider we consider the group when it is more than two. So in this case we have job class on three different level. So if I let me make it a bit easy for ourselves. I will find out the descriptive statistic also. It will help us the average salary of the each group. So we can see that the people who are on the low level, there were 24 employees, that their average salary is 56,000, while the middle level people, their salary is 1,04,337, and at the higher level the salary of the employees is 2,05,118. So it is also clear from here that the mean value or the average salary of the each job level are different. Now this ANOVA will tell us whether their salary is same or different. We are supposed to consider this value. This is the p value. If this p value is significant, it shows that the alternate hypothesis is accepted. The alternate hypothesis was that salary of the employees different at different group level is different from each other. You can see I have also written here that if the p-value is less than 0.05, it means that we will consider the alternate hypothesis. So it shows that that the salary among these three different groups are not similar. Okay, so if this p-value is insignificant, it will show that there is no difference, so we don't need further investigation. But as it shows that the p-value is significant, the mean value of the salary or at each group level is different. So further we are supposed to check whether the group 3 versus group 4, or group 3 versus group 5, or group 4 versus group 5, where is the difference between the salary. Okay, now let me do it again. At this time, this time I will consider the post hoc. We have different options. These are the different tests used for the find out the difference of the mean among the different groups. You can consider other also. Let me consider the LSD only. And okay, so I have repeated this test, but this time I am interested to find. Look, this ANOVA table shows that there is the statistical difference among this group. It doesn't show whether the group 1 versus group 2, or group 2 versus group 3, or group 3 versus group 1. But in this, by using the post hoc test, we are able to find out the difference among the group. Now you can see that the low level versus middle level, the p-value is significant, which shows that the salary at the low level and middle level is not same, or it is different. The alternate hypothesis will be accepted. Similarly, low level versus higher level, again the p-value is significant, which shows that the salary at this levels, the low level and higher level, is also not similar. And now similarly you can see the middle level versus low level, or the middle versus high level. So in first, when we use the ANOVA, it only shows whether the mean value across the group is similar or it is different. Now if it is significant, it allows us to further more investigate that among which group the salary is different. In this case, the salary is different at each group. That is why the p-value is significant at each different group. Thank you. Hopefully you got this point.